Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I'm on the phone with...
Ivan Timberwolf, or also known as ThatGreenEST.
Yep, I'll put both his channels in the description and in this video. So, if you're not blind, you can kind of see that on the bottom right of that box, there's a logo, or a description sticker model number sheet. It says Eton LSTWC3AL. And underneath it says Wheelock Exceeder LED horn strobe, or LED strobe. So, I don't know if you're blind or not, or you can't comprehend what LED strobe means, but if you do, then you probably already know what's already in here. But it's not the kind of LED strobe you're expecting. So, let's go ahead and open this. I'm very good at unboxing, in case you couldn't tell. It in the original packaging.
I hate to say this, but mine was in perfect condition. Yeah, I had to rip it open from the
Yeah, it's cause he taped both the boxes together, and while I was trying to unpeel the tape, it kind of messed up.
Yeah,
Right.
Same thing happened to me.
Yeah.
I ripped it out of the bottom.
Alright, so I got the box open. Now we'll go ahead and open these two flaps right here. Let me just go ahead. There we go. So right off the bat, we have our instruction manual right here, and our sound outputs and all sort of jazz. It looks like we come with two of them, but this is more of a compact. Oh, it's a more compact data sheet of the of if I were to get a horn strobe or horn variant. And
why didn't you get a horn variant?
Here we have two, looks like inch-long screws that fit into any, standard electrical box, 4x4, octagon box, all sort of stuff. And in here we have the alarm itself. Oh, shoot. And here we have the alarm itself. So if you can probably already see, you can tell that this isn't a normal Exceeder with fire lettering. This is actually an alert strobe variant, which Ivan here on the phone actually bought one from the same seller as I did. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was pretty cheap.
No, it cost my life savings. Alright, so here's the alarm right here. It's set on 15 candela currently. But if I flip it to the back, you notice there's no horn because this is obviously a strobe. It's LED, it has a candela, it's multi-candela with the candela setting. It has alert lettering 360 degrees. And as well as one of them, I actually bought a second one that I unboxed already for demonstration purposes. Here's the second one. See, they're the exact same. They both come with mounting hardware, instructions, and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah. Oh, Ivan, should we go ahead and announce how much this cost us both?
I think this costing you around like $8 or something.
Yep, you heard that right. So, for a new in box, I'll put the link in the description for these. New in box LED Exceeder strobes. You can get one of them for $8.
It's only a limited quantity though, so hurry up and buy them.
There's only like 3 left though.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, so
You bought them all out, man.
Yep. And
I'm glad I have one.
a couple other of my friends are actually getting, one soon, including Loganetics and some other people. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hook one of these up and go ahead and test it. Okay, so I went ahead and wired up the what's it called? LED Wheelock Exceeder. So let's go ahead and set it off with the EST fire shield. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's currently set on 15 candela. Let me go ahead and silence the advance and the fire shield. It's set on 15 candela right now. It's pretty bright. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights. So as you can see, it does illuminate the space pretty well. You probably can't see it that well, but it does illuminate it very well. So, yeah, I'm going to let it flash for a bit more. And this doesn't appear on camera, but it flashes the exact same as a normal xenon strobe. It doesn't have the delay like the LED Genesis. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm
I
gonna go
can
ahead.
confirm that.
Yep. And I'm gonna go ahead and reset the BG12.
Why is it mounted on the wall? It
Don't
should be
worry
on the ceiling.
And I'm
That's
gonna
a code violation.
And I'm gonna go ahead and reset the fire shield. Okay, hold on. Alright, well, that's the unboxing and review of the LED Alert Wheelock Exceeder. Thank you for watching, and Ivan, do you have anything else to say?
Well, we'll see you next time, if there ever is.
Yeah, what he said. Alright, goodbye.